to go for a momentum breakout, at least on the indices. It's much due because we've seen the market health improving significantly. We've been making this point that if you see more sectors participating one by one, it could just be a matter of time that you will see the index also getting to a breakout, and that momentum zing which was missing for the markets, that will sort of make a comeback for the indices. I think now with the data point in terms of the FI numbers reducing, at least in terms of the extent of short positions, both on the absolute as well as on the percentage basis, then the breakout of the 25,000 mark, which I believe is a very strong breakout for the index, because it's not just a strong psychological breakout of the 25,000 mark. This triggers generally a change of stance from option writers. Like, over the last many weeks, we've been seeing, more of call writing at 25,000 mark. That stance changes for an option writer, and he then moves on to, more into the put writing side. And that's what even the data is corroborating right now. And add to the fact that, the put call ratio is back again about that 1+ mark, which generally means that we are into a slight, bullish territory back again for the index in terms of sentiments as well. So I think on the back of this, I would expect the index to gradually move up forward on the upside. And in case if there are, say, a mild dip, like 35-point dip, what the GIFT Nifty is showing right now, in case if that extends to say 70-75 points on the intraday side, I think that's a good opportunity for intraday trader to build index longs.
All right, the index expected to move up gradually. That's the take coming in from Kunal. But Kunal, other than that, help us with your stock calls for today.
So I'll go with two buy calls. The first is Bajaj Finserv. I think it's been a stock which has not performed very well as compared to Bajaj Finance. But, the chart patterns, the volumes, the indicators have started to show signs of strength. I think at 2,080-85, where the stock closed on Friday, I would believe that that's a good zone for traders who are looking at a contra buy as well as a potential breakout for Bajaj Finserv. Buy with a target of 21.25. Stop loss could be kept at 2,055. And, Samvardhana Motherson, something which we've been discussing earlier also, that's shown a classical, price volume breakout. The stock managed to break out of a major 102 resistance, and this too on the back of some extremely strong candlestick formations, as well as very good volume patterns for the stock consistently over the last 2-3 days. So would expect a follow-through up move over the next 1 or 2 days. 110 as a target, stop us at 102.
Okay, a buy on Bajaj Finserv, a buy on Samvardhana.